Every time you read Buddhist scripture, your mind feels calmer, and your scattered thoughts start to clear. But actually making time to look up and read sutras is not easy. That's why, with Zenlock installed, every time your lock screen turns on, you get a famous sutra passage with an easy explanation, right there for you to read. First, understand the deeper meaning of Buddhist scripture, effortlessly. Even a single line of a sutra can hold layers of meaning, with metaphors, symbols, and historical context all packed inside. So reading a simple explanation and stopping at the literal meaning means you haven't even touched 1% of the scripture. Zenlock brings key Buddhist scripture passages and clear, deeper explanations to your lock screen every time you turn on your screen. Just install it, and the meaning of the scriptures begins to sink in naturally. Second, just by seeing it, your understanding of the scriptures naturally deepens. Books, YouTube, Buddhist broadcasts, no matter how much you watch, without questions that make you go deeper, it only stays on the surface. Zenlock curates questions for every passage, even the ones that point to insights you may have missed. So as you follow the answers, your understanding of scripture rises to a whole new level. Third, Buddhist scripture you can put into practice right away. The heart of reading scripture is practice, and practice doesn't happen from one quick study session. It happens when you remember it often and act on it. With Zenlock's Apply It to Your Life feature, you see how each passage can become real in your life, right on your lock screen, over 100 times a day, more naturally than any other way. So Buddha's teachings stay with you and turn into daily practice, and it's 100% free. Download Zenlock today.